Stay ahead of today's flooring trends.
Home decor and flooring have trends just like fashion, and it's important to stay ahead of the curve when planning your living space or business. Hi, I'm Sebastian, and I'm here to tell you about a top trend for 2018, wire brushed floors. I'm referring to a type of finish that scrapes wood planks with a wire brush to pull out the soft grain underneath. By exposing the heart of the wood, the overall look has more texture than typical finishes and offers an appealing weathered effect. Anyone who wants a reclaimed rustic appearance or simply likes the idea of a floor that hides scratches well will enjoy this stylish option. Wide planks, those that are 5 inches wide or more, also continue to be very on trend. These boards are usually made from engineered hardwood because of their stability and draw on the appearance of historical properties or country homes. Since the boards are larger, you don't need as many seams or gaps, which lets wood grain and color come through. As far as color goes, earth tones and grays are strong contenders today that aren't likely to go away for some time. Gray, in particular, is a contemporary neutral tone that goes with anything and is a designer favorite. Earthy browns, honey, and soft greens are also strong choices that emphasize natural beauty in a way which can either be subdued or bold depending on contrasting elements. You can view beautiful examples of wire-brushed wood, earth tones, and grays in action when you step into our showroom at Chestnut Flooring. Please visit our website and subscribe to learn more about today's popular flooring trends.